thing.
No, not singing. Just saying some shit.
Like what am I saying?
So you, so you're gonna have to say like.
I'm trying to think. So the tape's gonna be called For Love 2.
We're here all alone. Just capture your soul. I can't leave you lonely. I go where you go. And even though life moves fast, you make it move slowly. You're not the only one, but baby, oh, I can make it. Feel like you are the chosen one. And yeah, maybe I've been deciding by myself. Who's about to find it? 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 Oh mine, you're so mine. Favorite eater, fine dine. Your friends hate us and we won't make it. We still on the incline. Look how that goes. They were non-believers. They were trying to scare you, girl. Jeepers creepers. Ever since I met you, girl, you be pleasing me. Don't you wanna talk anymore, leaving me. We just had our toes on the floor, creasing me. I know that I stay on your mind, leasing me. You know what to say all the time, teasing me, teaching me to love you better. We together, now forever. I bet you teach me to caress you better, fuck you better. We're here all alone. Just capture your soul. I can't leave you lonely. I go where you go. And even though life moves fast, you make it move slowly. You're not the only one, but baby, oh, I can make it. Feel like you are the chosen one. And yeah, maybe I've been deciding by myself. Who's about to find it? Who's about to find it? Who's about to find it? Who's about to find it?
So, what do you mean you want me to teach you how to love me better, caress me better, fuck me better? Why am I teaching anything?